Hello you lovelies, how are you all doing? I'm Ishna and I welcome you back to my channel. From the title you are aware that I am going to do a different thing that I haven't shared till now, but I have purchased a couple of jewelry sets and I thought why not do a jewelry haul, because I love jewelry. I have various sorts of jewelry in my collection and I'm going to talk about a couple of necklace sets with earrings and all the entire jewelry set and in all its details. I don't know whether you will enjoy jewelry collection and these sort of hauls and all. Let me know in the comment section so that based on that I can decide if I want to show the other haul, other jewelries that I have purchased and share it with you. If you want to see those, I'll definitely make those. So I am a big fan of jewelry, like I have already said, so I've got a huge collection from bangles to earrings to whole sets and everything. I wish to share my hauls with you on that front as well. Let me know if you are interested in those and then I'll start making those. But before we get started with today's video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I do hauls, fragrance reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare videos and a lot of that sort. Jewelry is the first time that I'm doing, and if you are interested in such videos, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now without rambling any further and ignoring the background noises, let's get started. Now I have three boxes to talk about, and of these three I have two from Zaveri Pearl and one from Ubella. So I'll first talk about the Ubella one and then move to the Zaveri Pearl one. So this is how the outer packaging for Ubella looks like. The box came a bit dented here and I ordered this from Myntra. So I didn't expect this from Myntra, that the box will be tampered a bit. It's a basic cardboard black box, as you can see, and it was safely wrapped with bubble wraps and all, so I don't know why this dent happened. When I open it, this is where the jewelry piece is stored. This comes in a plastic bag like this, and this is a necklace. It's a beautiful necklace. I'll show you. I'll just open this a bit so that you can see. So this is how the neck piece looks like. The quality is amazing. It has got stonework on against a golden background. This is how the quality is from the back. It's the quality is not compromised at all. The chain on the other hand is something that I don't like because it's a mix of silver and golden. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it or not. It's a mix of silverish elements here and there and golden elements here and there. I don't personally enjoy these kind of necklaces, but nonetheless, since the necklace itself is very beautiful, I decided to ignore it. So this is how it looks like on the neck. It's beautiful. I love it. It's not too loud, but it's not. I mean, it's not a statement piece. It's neither too loud nor too subtle. It's just right in there. It's a beautiful piece. Pair it up with a dress, a gown, or if you're wearing this with a gown, please ensure it's a off shoulder or a halter. Then it will look good. And if you're wearing with a sari as well, it will just look beautiful. I love how it looks. And you get earrings with this as well. I shouldn't have worn this jacket when I'm showing you jewelry. Sorry, I'll keep these in mind for the next videos maybe. But yeah, I love this one. And this is my first time I'm doing a jewelry haul, so if I make mistakes, please ignore. And you get a beautiful earring piece, a pair of earrings. It's just, look at this. The dangling part is so beautiful, and even this pattern is nice. You have got, I guess these are ADs, American diamonds, and if you wear it, I believe, wow, this changes the look of any dress that you're wearing. It's beautiful. Just look at it. I'll quickly wear it on the other side. and I'll show you how this looks. Just see. You can wear it like this when it's slightly dangling a bit, or else you can take it up and you have holes here, or you can add as well and just make it look like almost a choker which sits on, not exactly on your neck, but on the neckline. This is a piece I totally love and totally love the quality. If the packaging came a bit better, it would have been like 100% yay. But judging the MRP of this piece was 1712, I am very happy that I got it something around 500. Yes, this piece was 513. Can you believe it? It's such a stunning piece and it will look beautiful on saris as well as Western outfits. So yeah, just wear it to a specific occasion and not a daily wear. These sort of jewelries are not meant for daily wear, but the earrings as well, they are very, very pretty. Just look at it. So totally in love with this purchase. So that was the first one. I opened it up and placed it aside. The next one is from Zaveri Pearl, and this is a Kundan piece. This is how the Zaveri Pearl's packaging looks like, and inside you get this piece. Now, when I purchase jewelry sets which has got a neck piece and earring, I usually tend to look out for Zaveri Pearl because they give you very good quality product. Just look at it from the front. If this looks like red on the camera, trust me, they are pink, not red, and they are very well protected with these wires so that your jewelry is no way damaged. I'll quickly remove these wires and give you a sneak peek of the jewelry. So this is how the earrings look. Just look at it. This has got pearl finish with kundan and all. Just quickly wear it and I'll show you. Wow, it looks beautiful, and they are not heavy, super heavy that will make the entire experience of wearing a jewelry unbearable. It's not like that. These are very, very light and very comfortable to wear. I've never done such videos before, so if you think that you will be interested in looking at other jewelry hauls, because I purchase a lot of earrings and bangles because I love wearing bangles. You will see me wearing bangles all the time, so I will definitely shoot those for you. Just let me know in the comment section below if you are interested in looking at such videos. And this is how the piece looks like. Just look at it. Isn't it grand? I mean, you wear it. This is a party or a wedding season attire. A jewelry. So this is how the neck piece looks like when you wear it properly. Just look at this. This looks stunning. The beads and all with the kundan work and the stone, the pearls, it's beautiful. I mean, you wear this alone. Even if you don't wear the earrings, it will look stunning on your dress. Trust me, it will look divine on any sari or any such Indian attire. It's beautiful. And this piece was expensive. From the marked price, it is like 2,330. So it's expensive from the marked price, isn't it? 2,330, yes. But I paid lesser than 500 rupees. I paid 8 rupees 466 for this. So it's a steal deal. I mean, it was raining offers on Myntra. It just looks beautiful on anybody. And if you're a bride that you want to have some items in your collection which you will wear after your wedding, because there will be invitations to various relatives and all, you might definitely give this one a try, provided you get it at this great discount. I mean, it's beautiful. Zaveri Pearls always have great discounts on Myntra and Flipkart as well, but you can check and make use of the best offer at your disposal. So yeah, this is a beautiful collection and beautiful piece that I totally love, and at the price that I got 466 is just unimaginable. This is lightweight, it's very comfortable to wear. You don't feel like wearing that you have worn a lot of stuff. It's just beautiful. And if you look at this piece up close, just look at the quality you're getting from the back as well. Just see, it's a stunning piece. It's a great piece that will look good on everybody. It's beautiful. And you get this bigger tassel, so you can adjust as you want. And finally, I have another Zaveri pearl piece, and this one happens to be the favorite of mine. This looks like this, and it is a Kundan type stone piece. It comes safely packaged like this, and it has also got wires to keep the jewelry in place. So I'll quickly remove these and I'll wear it for you so that you can see and understand. And these are all within 500 or close to 500. So it's a great piece. Firstly, just look at this. This is so good quality. It just blends in your hand. I mean, it becomes so small, and just look at this quality. It's sorry, and just look at this quality. It's shining and it's beautiful. It's great for weddings, not for every day, of course. I'll just wear it. Now you can wear this as a choker like this. It even looks great as a choker. You place it like this and you wear a very stylish sari or a gown, and you're good to go. Or else you can loosen up the tassel a bit more and make it appear like a necklace. Just look at it. It's beautiful. It feels nothing. I mean, it's so lightweight, you hardly feel anything. See how it folded on my hand, and that is what gives its good quality, and it's not heavy at all. You get these studs which are just about the right size, and they don't take the attention of the jewelry piece in the neck at all. The best part, you have not only stones in this, you have tiny pearls as well, all lined up. I'll give you a close view of this as well once I'm done showing you how it looks when I wear it. So this is how the ears look. The studs are very pretty, very classy. This is how the neck piece looks. Just look at it. It's so pretty, but I think it looks better as a choker. If you place it as a choker on your neck, it looks beautiful, isn't it? I'll tell you the price for this one. The marked price for this one says 2663. I'll show you. It's right here. The marked price for this one is 2663. Guess how much I paid? And I paid rupees 474 plus some coins, which is 25 coins. I got it from Flipkart. Yeah, I'm ordering again from Flipkart after that fiasco. But what I do now is I order cash on delivery. I check the product and then I pay. So that's how I'm doing and dealing with Flipkart, because the offers are great. I can't take that away. And this is a great piece which I got just for rupees 474. If the marked price is 2663, even if I consider it's overhyped, this shouldn't be a 2663 item, still 474 is a steal deal for this when it's Zaveri pearl. After all, Zaveri pearls doesn't compromise on the quality, so if you're paying even a lot of money, it's worth it. I'll give you a close look of this one so that you can see. I hope you can do. Here are tiny pearl beads all over, and you have the stone work going on. The pearl beads are there on top as well as the bottom, and this crumbles right here. These are jewelry that you can wear and without the hassle of maintenance. Yeah, the only maintenance for any sort of jewelry, even if that is gold, just keep it away from perfumes, and you'll be wearing those for a really long time. Just remember that you wear the jewelry after you have worn the perfume and allowed it to settle down for some time. Then you can wear it, and trust me, you won't face any issues. So that is the third piece. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comment section if you did. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Of course, let me know in the comment section if you want to see more such jewelry hauls, because I tend to collect jewelry. I love jewelry and I wear them extensively, so I might come up with more hauls where I can show you the various kind of jewelry I purchase, jewelries I purchase, and if you're interested, you will definitely enjoy watching those. So let me know and I'll film those for you. And before you leave this video, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. I'll see you in my next video. Then stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.